Hello my dear students, welcome back to the online classes for physics, and we will be continuing with the chapter measurement. This will be your second lecture on this chapter, and in this class we are going to discuss firstly kinds of unit, and secondly we will be doing systems of unit. So the two topics for today's discussion are kinds of unit and systems of unit. Now, kinds of unit, there are two kinds. The first kind is fundamental unit, also called basic. Fundamental unit. Now, the name itself suggests fundamental. It does not need the help of any other unit for its expression. So, fundamental or basic unit is that which is independent. It is called fundamental because it is independent of any other unit. So, fundamental unit is actually independent. It does not depend on any other unit, or which can neither be changed nor can be related to any other fundamental unit. So, one fundamental unit you have it, you cannot change it into any other unit, okay, nor you can relate it to any other fundamental unit. Definition will be clear only when I give you the example. For example, unit of mass. So if I go to the standard system of unit of mass, it is kilogram, kg, alright. So to express kilogram, you don't have to take the help of other unit like the unit of time. You don't need to use second, or you don't have to use meter to express kilogram. It is standing on its own. You cannot break it into, you cannot change it into any other fundamental unit, nor you can relate kilogram to any other fundamental unit. That is the meaning of fundamental or basic unit, and as I told you, it is independent of any other unit. Quantities. Firstly, the fundamental quantity, the first fundamental quantity is length. Okay. Second fundamental physical quantity is mass. Now, these quantities do not have to take the help of any other quantities for their expression. These are independent. And time. These are the three fundamental quantities. Later, some more fundamental quantities were added in the SI system. I'll be giving you the list. After time, temperature also is considered to be a fundamental quantity. Fifth one, you have luminous intensity, intensity of light. Luminous intensity. The sixth fundamental quantity is electric current, and seventh one is amount of a substance. So this is the list of the 7 fundamental quantities which has been included in the SI system. I'll be doing of unit, kind of unit is derived unit. Derived because it has been derived or taken from the fundamental units. Alright. For example, unit of speed. Now you should know that speed is equal to distance divided by time, distance upon time. So speed is the rate of change of distance with respect to time. Okay, now unit of speed will be unit of distance, that is say meter. In SI system it is meter, divided by unit of time, that is second. So unit of speed is meter per second. Now it contains two units in it. One is meter, another one is second, which if you take it individually they are fundamental, but this unit of speed is the combination of two fundamental units. That is why unit of speed happens to be a derived unit. So derived units are those which depend on the fundamental units. You can see here this unit of speed depends on the fundamental units meter and second, or which can be expressed in terms of the fundamental units. So that is the meaning of derived units. There is a long list of derived units which you can go through in your books. Alright. Likewise, I'll give you another example. Volume is, if you take the volume of a cube, it is length into, go by the formula, length into breadth into height. Now unit of volume will be equal to unit of length multiplied by unit of breadth multiplied by unit of height. So if I take the SI system, SI unit of volume will be equal to unit of length is meter, unit of breadth again breadth, meter, unit of height is meter, which is meter cube. Now this has taken the help of the fundamental unit meter, and meter has been repeated thrice in this unit of volume. That is why unit of volume is a derived unit and not a fundamental unit. Alright.